Hi, my name is Derek McQuarrie with eXp Realty here in Mobile, Alabama. And if you want to stay on top of what's going on with the housing market in this area, be sure to subscribe. By the way, if you want to know how this housing market or how interest rates are going to affect your home value or your buying power, or if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one call to talk to me about buying or selling, please be sure to check out the link in my bio where you can book a one-on-one call with me. This is today's market update for August 15, 2022. Today's interest rate for a 15-year mortgage is 4.68%. For a 30-year conventional mortgage is 5.25%. Interest rate for a 30-year VA loan is 4.75%. Interest rate for a 30-year FHA loan is 4.68%. If you was to buy a $250,000 home today, 20% down would be about $50,000. For an FHA loan, your down payment would be $8,750. And of course, if you was getting a VA loan, you will have zero money down. We love our troops. Your estimated monthly mortgage for a 15-year conventional loan is about $1,923 a month. For a 30-year conventional loan is about $1,381 a month. VA loan, $1,304 a month, and for an FHA loan, your monthly mortgage is about $1,294 a month. Median list price here in Mobile County is $310,700. The number of homes that went on the market last week is 117. There's 149 homes currently under contract, and last week, 133 homes closed this week. With all that being said, we're still in the seller's market. The average days on market for a home in Mobile County is about 68 days. And there's twice as many homes that's under contract and sold compared to the number of new listings. So we're still trending in the seller market. It has slowed down a bit, but like I always say, right now, this is the best time to buy a house. If you need to sell your home, now is the best time to sell. The inventory is still low, still plenty of buyers out there looking for a good home like yours. And if you need anything or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me directly, or you can click the link in my description or in my bio to schedule a one-on-one private call. That's it for right now, but if you want more information or have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me directly. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.